Praise the Lord, brothers and sisters. I am the Royal Priest. I am so glad to meet in this video. I am fine and blessed. I believe that you too all are fine and blessed. So today in this video, we're going to talk about God Music app, which was just launched before 2 months. You must have saw in the title itself. So like many people are criticizing against this God Music app. They are saying like God Music app people are asking money to get register, are asking money for accessing the app. So like people are saying that those people are making business out of the people. Those people are fooling the people by asking for the money. So and they even are quoting these verses like freely you have received, so freely you give. So first thing, the people are saying freely you have received, freely you give. If you have received something freely, yes, you have to give it freely. But for building this music app, I don't think it was built up freely. Even the creator, the founder of this app, Pastor Thomas Raj, he himself made a video and published the video about all about his cost, what all things he has gone through for making this app, what all cost he has made for this app. Actually, there are many things he done for this app. For example, so for getting the app into Play Store and App Store, he has to pay money to Google, and he has to pay money to Apple for getting the app to the App Store, and secondly he has to pay money to the music production team like this music app is showing musics of the music producers, right? So for them to, you have to pay money to the music production team, and they are using Amazon servers. So like we are downloading the app, and we are using the app, we are registering the app. So keep all the so keep to keep all things stored, they are using servers, and for that too they have to pay lakhs and lakhs of rupees to Amazon per month. And apart from them, Thomas Raj pastor said that they have registered as an organization. So for getting registered as an organization government, they have to pay money, like and even there are 15 to 20 employees working as a full time for this app in the office, and for so like there are many things, salaries of those people, and for this and rent and money for the appliances in the office, and for the money for that office physical place. So like there are many things which need money for doing that. Like people are saying freely you receive, freely you give, but this app is not built up freely. This app is not running freely. They have to pay money for many things, as I mentioned before. So like and many people are I just saw that video one time, and many people are commenting even without seeing the video. Like they just saw the thumbnail and title about God Music app, and they begin to comment like you people are making business, you people why you are taking money from people. So actually the Thomas Raj has explained very well about why he is charging money for using the app, but still people are commenting why you are asking money for the app. Like those people are not even seeing the full video, but they are keeping on commenting whatever they have to comment. Like some people were even commenting you are antichrist, you are false preacher, you are demanding money for these things, like whatever they're commenting in this video. And that's just think that if you are building a house for 2 years by investing all your knowledge, investing all your physical power, investing all your money in that house, and after 2 years you are giving that house to as a publishing a house as for rent or buying, and people are saying your house is the worst one, and especially for the people whom you built the house, those people itself are saying that your house is waste, your house is vain, your house is very rubbish. So think about that. So the app is also same thing. He invests all his money, energy, time, money, everything for this app almost for more than 2 years, and then he published this app. And people and he published especially for we Christian peoples, and also many and also the we only Christian people are getting criticizing them. You people are wage, you people are eating the people's money, you people are wage. Uh, uh, Pastor Thomas Raj built this app for us, and we ourselves are criticizing them. It's really crazy to see people like that, and some people will you spend 500 600 rupees for getting registered on Amazon and on Prime, and even some people register for Spotify premium version. And but those are the people who are thinking 1,000 times for paying money for the God Music app. I really don't know, the people are ready for spending money on some secular things for Netflix, Amazon Prime and Spotify, but those people are not ready to spend money for some gospel things like God Music app. The God Music app people are working really hard for only you and me, but we ourselves are criticizing them for asking money, and people are saying that you people are making business, people are asking money. So even this app is not running freely. So even some people are commenting, if this app is really given by God, God will give the money. Yes, of course God will give the money, and how will God give the money? God is not going to shower the money in their office. No, God will give them money for running those apps by the people like us, you and me. Where people Jesus will feed them by us only, because God will use we only to give to feed them financially, and even spiritually motivate them to do many things. And then some people were saying you should not ask money for these things, you're eating the money of people. Just think one thing, Bible says that don't muzzle the mouth of the ox, and it says that every workman is worthy of his wages. It means those people are working for us. Pastor Thomas is working for us, and the employees are working for us, and those people are worthy of their wages. They should be paid, and they should get money. And Bible still says that workers are worthy for their wages, and even Bible says that especially people who are working for God, they are worthy for double honor. Actually those people should be getting salary or getting blessed financially more than normal workers. But still I think they don't get money as normal people work, but still they are working for us. So we have to appreciate them, and we have to encourage them and motivate them. And if you want to get registered, you should pay money for that app and use them, and also donate some money for people like them who are working for us. And even those people are helping to promote new gospel musicians who are working hard for the God. If you will mail them as a new music creator, or if you will get registered in their website as a new music creator, they will promote music. They are helping you to promote your music which you have made for God. They're helping for you, and they're helping for many new music creators. But still we people are keeping criticizing them. It's very very sad to see that people are not understanding these things. And even we see in the Philippines, many people confess these words, my God shall supply all my needs according to riches. We confess these words, but actually even in that context of the verse, Paul was talking about the offerings and donations given by the church of Philip, the church of Philip, the people of Philippines were donating offerings, donating money and giving offerings to Paul and to other poor churches for feeding them and for running their ministry. And in that context, Paul says that my God shall supply all your needs, because the people of Philippines were Philippine people were giving money generously for Paul and his ministry. So Paul said that God will bless you back. Paul said that was my God will supply all your needs as a blessing, but for Philippians, because of their offering and donations for the Paul's ministry. So even Paul is encouraging the offerings and donation for running ministry. So we should remember that. So we should understand that God Music app asking money is it's not a sin. It 100% right, because they are going through many financial things for working for us. So we should pay for them. And anyway, I think just before 2 weeks, that music, that in that app, certain parts are made free for common people, and certain part is been is a paid version. So anyway, some part has been made free, so you can use that app. And second thing, please stop criticizing people for them. And even some people commented on that main video. Yeah, one guy commented that please don't mention Pastor John Jabbaraj with the Pastor Monzi Lazarus, because you are insulting Pastor Monzi Lazarus by mentioning his name with the Pastor John Jabbaraj. Like, what you are commenting, like that video title is is about something else, and we people are commenting something else. Like we people are insulting every preacher and every pastor in the comment section. Please don't do that. Please stop that. Everyone is working for God. Now they are wrong, they are right, it's second thing. But those people are working for God, and those people are working for only for you and me, that they may show God to us, and they may get us close to God. So please stop commenting like these foolish things. And the conclusion of this video is, please stop criticizing the Pastor Thomas Raj and criticizing the music app. We should pay for them, and they are worthy of their work. And I give big heads off to Pastor Thomas Raj and their employees. So thank you. I believe this video cleared your mind about this the criticism against the God Music app. So please stop criticizing people, because they are working for us. And first is that people who work for God are worthy of double honor. And honor is not only something which we speak in words, but honor includes financially helping them too. It's a honor given to them. So thank you. So please stop criticizing Pastor Thomas Raj and then God Music app. So thank you, and until I meet you next week, God bless you.